to today's class. Today we'll be looking at conversion of cubic units, larger units to smaller units. So let's look at the objectives. So, first objective, define cubic units. Second objective, convert cubic units, larger units to smaller units. So let's get right into it. So before we can convert our cubic units, we need to remember our metric conversions. So our metric line ranges from milli to kilo. So we have milli, centi, deci, deca, hecto, kilo. And our unit is interchangeable. So we use meters, liters, or grams. So if you remember what we are looking for and what we are targeting for today is converting from larger units to smaller units. So we are moving from kilo to milli. And as you know, we move by powers of 10. So when we're moving from larger to smaller, we multiply by 10 each time we move. And if you're using decimal method, we move the decimal to the right one place each time. Alright? So let's get into it. Cubic units. Cubic units can be defined as units used to measure volume. The volume of a unit, cube, whose length, width, and height are 1 unit each is 1 cubic unit. Some examples of cubic units in metric units are cubic meters, cubic centimeters, etc. So, cubic conversions. In solving metric units that involve a cube, it is helpful to visualize a cubic unit to be converted as a cube. So here's a cube to help you visualize. Quick maths, let's do this. So example 1. Convert 1 meter cube to centimeter cube. Step 1. Consider that 1 meter cube as a cube that is 1 meter on each side. Its area is our 1 meter cube. Alright, so here we have our cube, and as you guessed it, length, breadth, and height is 1 meter. So to find the area, we multiply all of them to get 1 meter cube. Alright, so let's continue. Step 2. What we must do next is convert each meter to centimeter. And as you know, 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. So wait, let's look back at our metric line to see if we're on the right track. So, what does 1 meter equals to in centimeter? So we're moving from meter to centimeter. And we multiply by 10 each time we move. So multiply by 10, multiply by 10. Alright? Multiply by 10, multiply by 10. So we multiply by 10 twice. So that means that it will equal to 100. So we are on the right track. Alright? So then, this is what we will get. So 100 centimeters for length, breadth, and height. Let's continue. Then, step 3, we multiply to find the area. So, if we multiply 1 meter times 1 meter times 1 meter to get our area of 1 meter cube. So, in order to find our area in centimeters cube, we have to multiply by 100 3 times. So, 100 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 100 give us 1 million centimeter cube. So therefore, 1 meter cube equals 1 million centimeter cube. Alright, quick maths, quick and easy. But here is it in a more simplified manner. So step 1, we look for a metric conversion. So we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So then, knowing that we are moving from 1 meter cube to centimeter cube, we simply use our conversion, which is 100 centimeter, and we multiply it 3 times by itself. So that means we'll multiply 100 times 100 times 100, which will give us our answer, 1 million centimeter cube. Quick and fast. So if you remember with square units, we multiply twice, but with cube, we multiply 3 times. Alright, so that's the trend. So, quick maths, let's do this. So here's another example. Convert 5 kilometer cube to hectometer cube. So 1 kilometer is equal to 10 hectometer. So let's see on our metric line if we're on the right track. So we're at kilo and we move by powers of 10 and we only move one time. So that means that we multiply by 10 once. So here it is over here again. We multiply by 10. So we're on the right track. So that means that 1 kilo is equal to 10 hectometers. Alright? So then, knowing that, we will simply multiply that 10 3 times to get our hectometer cube. Alright? So knowing that, we simply multiply it 3 times. But remember, it's not 1 kilometer cube we are converting from 5 kilometer cube. So moving back to 5 kilometer cube, we have to multiply 5 times our metric conversion that we did before. So knowing that our metric conversion is 10 times 10 times 10, we have to multiply the 5 by it, which will give us 5,000. So 5 kilometer cube is equal to 5,000 hectometer cube. Very simple. Alright, quick maths. So don't be anxious, math is delicious. So here's a little assessment for you to try on your own. So pause the video and have a go at it. Alright, and if you need any help, remember to look back at the examples. So please remember to like, share and subscribe. Alright, and I hope I will see you once more.